What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Hey, y'all, look. Your boy spinning now. Don't ever get that misconstrued, man. Your boy C-Will really out here spinning, man. Look at that. Hey, but now, y'all, look. So today's video, man, just gonna be going to the paint shop, bro, right? So I have to drop off the front splitter, which y'all can probably see this plastic and stuff that I got right here, man. I have to drop the front splitter off, man, to get paint matched to the car. And also the rear mid spoiler is getting paint matched to the car, y'all, right? I want to go full paint match, bro, right? That's just me. That's my style, man. Like, I don't know, like, I don't mind the black accents, CEEFAM, but at the end of the day, bro, I just feel like everything paint match just give it a better flow, a good, like, you know what I'm saying, y'all? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now, y'all, before I go to work. It's like 8:40, bro. I don't gotta be to work till like 9 whatever, bro, you know. So yeah, I just got time to spare, y'all. So yeah, your boy just been cooling it though, man. Definitely trying to get y'all boys some bangers, dog. We ended up getting the big Tesla screen in. I mean, for those of y'all that shit follow you boy on Instagram, I appreciate y'all. Y'all seen it first. Carbon fiber 13.6 vertical, you know what I'm saying? Big boy Tesla screen, you heard me? Got that boy in. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing that, bro, on the channel for sure. But yeah, y'all, definitely excited, man. You know, good mods coming to the channel. Man, 2026 gonna be a great year for your boy. Hopefully it's gonna be a great year for y'all too, CEEFAM. But yeah, y'all, heading to the paint shop right now. Just want to see how much they gonna charge me, man. The pieces aren't really that big, but I understand, like, material, labor, that's probably gonna be the bulk of it. I already know that they can paint match the car because they have fixed my 2 front holes in the front from the license plate. So I know that they can paint match the car, paint match the color already. This is a simple color. It's not like it's B5 blue or purple or something crazy like that. Simple color, y'all. So yeah, I just want to see how much they're gonna charge me, man. Today is Friday, so yeah, I might not get it back today. Probably gonna get it back, I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, or whatever. But shit, it is what it is. But yeah, y'all, hey, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna definitely show y'all the front lip or front splitter, right? And then yeah, y'all already seen my my rear mid spoiler. Y'all seen that boy already, so that's too easy, man. But hey, look, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. And yeah, let's get to it, y'all. Come on. Sheesh. All right, y'all, this right here is the paint shop, man. This is cool, man. This is Dr. Shun. This is cool right here, man. Yeah, jeez. So yeah, y'all, so they pretty much do everything here, man. Paint, collision, body work, everything, man. So it looks like this charger is getting work done right now. Not sure what the charger need to get done. Jeez, this is nice right here. I like this car too. This is a Hellcat, y'all. I don't know what needs to get done. Looking like maybe front bumper work or something, I don't know. But yeah, I actually seen this guy around, man. You know, yeah, like I said, I don't know if it looked like got into an accident or something. Yeah, look at that. Like, he must have hit something, y'all. So yeah, y'all, so I don't know, man. They pretty much said that all of my parts were already primed and all that, man. So shout out to JGD Attack, right? So yeah, this right here is the front lip, y'all. Yeah, it's already primed, y'all. So that right there kind of saved me some bread. They didn't really tell me how much it was gonna be, you know, but it is what it is. So yeah, boy, already primed, it's already smooth. So I just told him, yeah, look, just paint match it to the car, and that's cool, man. I got the little winglets, so it should like stick out kind of in the front by the fender well. So that should be good right there, y'all. Yeah, and then I told him, like, these pieces right here pretty much screw underneath. I don't really need these right here painted, y'all. So, because it goes like pretty much like this. Like this one is gonna go on one side, the other is gonna go on the other side. Pretty much say like at the end of next week it should be finished, y'all. So yeah, it's Friday. Probably not gonna see this back until next week, which is totally fine, man. It is what it is. I'm not even tripping, y'all. But yeah, like I said, bro, they do everything, man. Everything. Paint, body, repairs. As y'all see, man, charger is in for some good repairs. Look like the windshield is out. Everything. Sheesh. And yeah, they handle everything here, y'all. So boys got the hood off. And like I always say their name wrong. Auto Lacquerai Konik. I always say it so wrong, bro. Damn, my boy got a good, look like a leg maker too. Carbon fiber, good leg maker. I like this right here. This is nice, bro. Dang, he definitely make me miss my leg maker, man, for sure. My boy on 305, 35 20s. Yeah, shout out to bro. I hope shit, quick recovery, fast recovery, man. Cause yeah, nobody deserves to have their car out. And what did it say? SRT_JENK. So yeah, go follow him, man. Shit, me and him both, you know, go to the same shop. So yeah, he know good work, man, for sure, y'all. My boys right here working on the scatty patty, bro. Yeah, see that? 2 Mopars in, man, getting some work. So they actually asked me, they was like, shit, like, do you want us to put this on for you too? I said, no, it's cool, shit, I can put it on myself. You know, no problem. That's too easy, man. But yeah. And then what? I don't know if I could show y'all the actual paint shop or not, but yeah. All right, this right here is where they cook up the paint, right? All the paints and all that, man, is over here. You know, got my guy right here cooking up the paint. Yeah, everything here is cool, y'all. So see that? And then yeah, paint shop, bro. Hey, sir, thank you so much. Thank you.
No problem.
Yep. But yeah, y'all. So I pretty much had to ask them. I'm like, hey, y'all, like, is it cool if I can record in here, you know? So I was talking to the owner, man, and I'm pretty cool with the owner's son, Constantine, but he's not here today. I guess he's getting surgery or whatever. So I thought he was gonna be here, you know. He would have let me record, but the owner was like, yeah, no, it's cool. You can record. So yeah, you know, like, yeah, I always just gotta ask y'all, cause yeah, you just never know. You just never know, man. Like, cause I had told him, like, hey, man, like, I make YouTube videos, right? This is just exposure for your shop, you know. It's not gonna hurt you unless you just don't want people to see the work you do, right? So, but yeah, it's not bad right here, y'all. Pretty good. They said they're gonna call me once it's done. So, all right, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. So yeah, y'all. Auto Lacquerai Konik, and I'm so sorry if I'm butchering their name, but yeah, as y'all see right there, man, y'all boys need some work. Auto Lacquerai Konik body and paint shop, man. Shit, they got everything out here too. Mercedes, the Volkswagen R out here. Yeah, I'm starting to learn up on my cars. Shit, got my car out here, but I ain't leaving it, no sirski. Yeah, they got all kind of stuff out here too. Hey, I should have asked them about getting the caps off of my stuff, bro, and like paint this stuff in here yellow or something, or I don't know, do yellow caps or something like that, or at least just ask them boys to shit fix this one and the other side too, y'all. Cause honestly speaking, CEEFAM, I'm really prepping the car for like spring, summertime. You heard me? Like, I really am. See, so on both sides, bro, like I said, I got the car like this, y'all. So on both sides, bro, it's a little messed up. I don't like that, bro. That's how I got it, bro. Previous owner, man, them boys did that. But yeah, bro, they got all kind of stuff out here, man. People, I don't know, like, people drive faster in Germany, y'all. So I understand why accidents happen more frequent probably out here, but you just got to be careful, bro. Look at this. I'd be so hurt. I'd be distraught, bro. Ain't no way. Yeah, got the BMW. It's a M. I don't know what kind of M it is, but I see that M right there too on them seats. But yeah, y'all, shit, I just wanted to drop this off. I was supposed to been drop this off too, y'all. Get this thing paint match, color match. Like I said, they never told me a price, which is quite interesting to me, man. I don't know. They never told me a price. They just said they gonna hit me up next week. I said, all right, bet, cool. So yeah, that's one less thing that I gotta worry about on my list, y'all, for sure. Boy, finna head to work. Hey, it's Friday, y'all. We usually get off at about 3 o'clock on Fridays, man. honestly speaking, CEEFAM, I really don't even like to make videos in my uniform, man. Right? I can, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't want people to think, oh, he in his uniform trying to get clout. He in his uniform trying to get recognition, trying to get notoriety. Y'all been doing the same Army stuff, bro, every single day for the past almost 12 years, man. Almost, right? I make 12 years this year, September. Right, y'all? I'm not saying I don't care for the clout. I don't care. Honestly speaking, I really don't, bro. Like once you get used to doing something, y'all, for so long, it just become like routine. It's just whatever, bro. You know what I mean? People tell me all the time, thank you for your service and whoop, whoop, whoop. I appreciate it, bro. Somebody got to do it in the world, man. Right? I appreciate all the service members, bro, that you know, contributed to, you know, serving the country, bro, all that before me, that made it possible for me to do it too, you know. So yeah, appreciate that, man. But yeah, I really try to avoid making videos in uniform, man. But yeah, this is just raw, straight, you know, real life content, man. You know, y'all, as I say, hey, content with me should never stop, y'all, right? Like, I'm giving y'all the raw, the real deal. You know, this was me shit right before I'm going into work. So hey, what you see is what you get with your boy C Will, man, straight up. But yeah, y'all, hey, just know by the time summertime come, oh, it's over with, bro. Man, we gonna be, bro, the car gonna be, I'm not gonna say done, but it's gonna be like, you know, pretty much complete, man, for sure. So yeah, this right here, man, I'm just prepping, bro, right? Like in the cold months, right? That's whenever you're really supposed to get your car good to be, yeah, outside, bro. So yeah, I'm just prepping right now, y'all. This is all preparation for, you know, summertime, being outside, car shows, meetups, events, all that, bro. This all prep, you heard me? So I'm not even tripping, CEEFAM, you know. One step at a time, one mod at a time, man. And hey, we gonna get to wherever we need to get with this Trackhawk, man. Definitely trying to make it my own, for sure. But yeah, installing the Tesla screen, probably like either Sunday or Monday. Probably Sunday, man. Probably on Sunday. So yeah, y'all might not get that video till about Wednesday or something. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm kind of up like two, 3 videos right now, y'all. So, and I like to drop every 2 days if I can, bro. You know, twice a week videos is definitely nice, right? If I drop three videos in a week, hey, your boy C Will on. I'm on fire. So but yeah, man, your boy finna enter base, and I'm not trying to record while I'm on base, right? Opsec. Haha. So hey, I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, you heard me? I'm C Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.